This video provides a general guideline for safely uncrating and placing Oasis MI models. To begin, ensure you have all the necessary tools, including safety gloves, an impact driver, number 2 and number 3 Phillips bits, and a utility knife. First, remove any exterior packaging such as crating, plastic wrap, and tape. To prevent damage to the case, remove the lower panels before removing the case from the pallet by lifting them up and off the case. Place the panels in a secure location away from foot traffic. At each corner of the case, remove the metal shipping brackets using a number 3 Phillips bit and the caster blocks using a number 2 Phillips bit. Keep the screws from the shipping brackets if you plan to remove the case from the pallet using the optional ramps. The case is now ready to be removed from the skid. A minimum of 2 people is required for this step, though larger cases may require additional assistance. Remove the case from the exhaust side, opposite the condensing coil. Ensure the power cord is tucked away and the area around the unit is clear of obstructions. Check that the casters are unlocked by firmly pressing down on the off section of each locking tab. Carefully roll the case to the edge of the skid. With adequate personnel supporting the unit, lift the case and walk it down to the floor. The case must remain properly supported at all times during this process. If using the optional ramps to remove the case from the skid, first place the cardboard ramp lip on the top edge of the pallet at the exhaust side of the case. Make sure the ramps are aligned with the center of the unit's casters. Using the screws from the shipping brackets, secure each ramp in place with at least 2 screws per ramp lip. Remove the toe kick support brackets and store them in a safe place. Slowly and carefully begin rolling the case down the ramps. Stop halfway down the ramps to check that the casters are still centered. If they are not, adjust the ramps accordingly. Maintain support of the case at all times. Continue slowly rolling the case down the ramps until it reaches the floor. Never attempt to roll the case off the pallet from any side other than the exhaust side, which is the designated removal side. Once the unit is on the floor, reattach the toe kick support brackets. Move the case to the desired location and lock the casters once it's in place. Follow the 5-10-15 rule when deciding where to place the equipment. Keep cases 5 feet from windows, 10 feet from vents, and 15 feet from doors. Keep airflow paths clear. The condenser unit's intake and exhaust should never be blocked. Refer to your product's new user manual for exact clearance requirements. The unit can now be plugged in and the main power switch turned on. Reinstall the panels. The 2 end kicks are universal and will align with both the front and the rear panels. Attach the exhaust kick panel on the opposite side, ensuring the front panel filter aligns with the coil. At this time, remove and discard all tape and packaging along with the skid, cardboard ramps, and metal shipping brackets. Clean the magnetic condenser coil filter each week to keep airflow clear. Remove the panel. Take out the filter, clean off the dust, wash with warm soapy water, dry, and replace. Restricted airflow will prevent the case from operating as designed and can damage refrigerated components. Refrigerated cases may display an LP error and shut down the compressor to protect the system. To clear an LP error code, reset the controller by turning the unit off, then back on. Freezer cases will not display an error code. Always merchandise with pre-chilled products only. Merchandisers are designed to maintain temperature, not cool product down. Proper airflow is critical for maintaining product temperature. Do not overload shelves as excess product can block airflow. Follow the load lines on the case. Overloading can disrupt the air screen, allowing warm, moist air in, which may cause coil icing and reduce performance. Scan the QR code located on the base frame next to the condensing unit or visit structuralconcepts.com for your unit's user manual. Structural Concepts, delivering fresh, always.